In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can create folders here in Gmail. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section down below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, one thing to note, Gmail uses something called labels instead, which is the exact same thing as a folder. It literally works the exact same way. It's just called a label instead. But to create a label on the left-hand side, just scroll down and you're going to see a little label option here with a little plus icon here. Go ahead and select that and it's going to pull up a page that looks like this where you can enter in that new label name. And then, of course, you can also nest the label under a specific like parent if you have something else as well. Just simply go ahead and enter in that name, hit create, and then you could just move your emails to that new label just by clicking this little checkbox just like so. And then of course, all you have to do from here is select this little move to button and then go ahead and search for your label, hit enter, and you'll be good to go. That email is now going to appear under the label on that left-hand side. That's how you can create and use folders, also known as labels, here in Gmail. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.